Hello, my name is Muhammad Narafis bin Nur Ahmad. My number matrix is BI22110393. I'm from Group 23. I'm gonna present for my group for the lab reader writers. As we can see on the left side, it has our code for our lab readers writers. I'm gonna explain the code truly. For the first one is the mutex. The mutex variable used for synchronization between readers and writers. Read count. Keep tracks of how many readers are currently reading. Reader. This function is executed by trees that act as a readers. Ptreat mutex log in bracket and mutex. It logs the mutex to ensure exclusive access to read count. Read count plus plus increments the read count to indicate a reader is reading. Print messages indicating the reading is allowed and displays the current read count. Ptreat mutex unlock in bracket and mutex. It unlocks the mutex to release the exclusive access. For the writer, this function is executed by trees that act as a writers. Ptreat mutex log in bracket and mutex locks the mutex to ensure exclusive access. Prints messages indicating that writing is allowed. Ptreat mutex unlock in bracket and mutex. It unlocks the mutex to release the exclusive access. And the ptreat mutex init in bracket and mutex comma null initialize the mutex before use. The main loop continuously prompts the user to choose between being a reader, writer, or exiting. Depending on the user's choice, R or W or E, it creates a thread to execute either the reader or writer function and waits for it to complete. After the loop ends, it calculates and prints the total runtime of the program using clock and waits for user input before exiting. For the mutex in bracket ptreat mutex t, it ensures mutual exclusion between readers and writers to prevent simultaneous access. And the treats, readers and writers are implemented as treats, with each type having its own function. User interaction. The program interacts with the user through console input and displays messages to indicate actions taken. We move to the next part. So as you can see, for the first scenario, for the no writer writing, we can see that when we key in the array, you can see the output go out. You are reader and reading aloud, and reading count is one. And for the next scenario, writer writing, as we key in the W, we can see that the output is you are a writer and writing aloud. And for the next scenario is the error handling. As you can see, when we key in for Q, T, and I, it is an invalid choice because the code is only available for R, the reader, W for the writer, and E exiting. And the last one is the scenario exit. So we just put key in the E to exiting the code, the run. So that's all. So that's all from me. Thank you.